Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make dashed border to shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to go insert menu. Then you can see here are drawing option. Then click plus new option. Now you can see here are interface like this. Now I insert a shape. I insert this shape, then draw this shape. Now change this shape color. Now change this border color. Make it this one. Now make border 12 pixel. Now I add dashed border in this shape. Go to border dash option and you can see here a dash border. Press on it. Now press save and close. Now select this border, then go to image option and click text wrapping and click in front of text. Now you can move this dash border shape. Now you can see I make dashed border shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.